Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn ABC. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I is for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Great job kids. I hope you learned all the ABCD. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.